This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a dryer that is not drying as well as it should, and we're going to go over how to clean the dryer vent. So this is a lint eater tool. These are 3-foot sections that you hook up to your drill, and it has kind of like a bottle brush that's used to clean out the aperture of the dryer vent tubes. You just screw in 3-foot sections at a time. You have to make sure you always are turning them clockwise because that makes them tight. Then you add in a 3-foot section, and then you hook it to your drill, and you just make your drill go backward and forward as you're spinning it, and that breaks up all the lint. The brush is pretty cool because it breaks up the lint and then it pulls the lint out towards you. This can be done from the outside, or you can also do it from the side that connects to your dryer. Usually the outside's better because it creates a little bit of a mess. But I'm just using my rotary drill, and I just keep adding these 3-foot sections. The kit comes with 4 3-foot sections, so you have about 12 feet. And you keep pushing in until you can feel the brush hitting something, and that would mean that it's all the way at the end. And then you just start bringing it out 3 feet at a time. And when you bring it out a 3-foot section, you want to disconnect it from your drill. What you do is you grab the 3-foot section in front of it really tightly with your left hand, and then you reverse direction with your drill, and that'll unscrew it. And then you take it out of the chuck, and then you put the section back into the drill, tighten it, and then you do another 3 feet and then pull out the next 3-foot section. So that's what we're doing right here. And just make sure that whenever you're spinning that drill, that it's always going in the clockwise direction, because if it goes counterclockwise, it could undo one of the 3-foot sections inside the tube, and that would be really hard to get out. But these tools work really well, and it'll get a lot of lint out, and all of a sudden your dryer will just do much better. It'll probably save a lot more energy. Some people complain that their dryers are taking twice as long, and that's just due to kind of like arteriosclerosis. The inside of the tube gets more and more narrow, and the dryer just can't get rid of the moisture. Now I'm going to go inside and I'll turn on the dryer, and we'll see a lot of the lint shoot out. So turn the dryer on, and then we can go out there and we can see lint just shooting out. It's pretty fun. And this is just something that'd be good to do about once a year. So it's a great tool. You can get them at Amazon. You can get them at Home Depot. They're about $30, and it'll get your dryer working great again. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.